Ever wondered how you could earn interest on your crypto assets, even while sleeping? Welcome to the innovative world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, where virtual currencies are reshaping our financial system. As these digital assets gain traction, it's essential to understand their potential. Imagine not just owning cryptocurrency, but also earning passive income from it. Yes, you heard it right, your crypto assets can work for you, growing in value over time. This is where ALCHEMIX comes into play. So, what exactly is ALCHEMIX? Well, let's break it down. ALCHEMIX is a DeFi or decentralized finance protocol. It's a concept that might sound complex, but the idea behind it is quite straightforward. ALCHEMIX lets you take an advance on the future yield of your cryptocurrency assets. Imagine a farmer who sells his future crops today to get the money he needs right now. That's essentially what ALCHEMIX does for your digital assets. It gives you the power to utilize the future potential of your cryptocurrencies today. But what sets ALCHEMIX apart is a unique feature where loans pay themselves over time. Yes, you heard that right. Your loan, over time, reduces itself without you having to lift a finger. This self-paying feature offers a stress-free experience to users, which is truly revolutionary in the world of finance. In essence, ALCHEMIX allows you to reap the benefits of your cryptocurrency assets upfront. You might be wondering, how does ALCHEMIX manage to do this? Well, let's break it down. First, imagine you have a digital dollar known as DAI. You deposit this DAI into the ALCHEMIX vault, a kind of digital safe. Once your DAI is in the vault, ALCHEMIX performs a bit of alchemical magic, creating an equivalent amount of a new currency called LUSD. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your original DAI isn't just sitting idle in the vault, it's put to work, earning interest through yield farming. This yield is then used to automatically repay your initial DAI deposit. So, while your DAI is busy earning, you can spend, save, or invest your LUSD however you like. This process in essence is like taking a loan that pays itself back. It's a unique blend of traditional finance and blockchain technology, giving you the freedom to maximize your assets. And that's how ALCHEMIX enables you to earn while you sleep. To sum up, we've journeyed through the intriguing world of ALCHEMIX, a crypto coin with a twist. This unique coin serves a dual purpose, not only as a store of value, but also as a means to obtain self-paying loans. We've delved into the intricate process of how ALCHEMIX works, revealing how it magically transforms your collateral into yield-bearing assets. The beauty of ALCHEMIX is that it allows your money to work for you, even when you're not watching. With ALCHEMIX, your money works for you even while you're not looking.